The reason why only 5 out of the 100 films made in the Hindi film industry make money is because the other 95 are made with this. Not with this.
It's been 6 months since when we played.
Is that what all you men think about?
He's got my daughter pregnant. Creep, you junkie!
What? I haven't done it in 6 months. Yeah, baby. I need you tonight.
Rupa, I've got something of yours with me.
Who's it, Rupa?
Kunal.
You're hot, baby. You're so hot. Such a hardy. Hot.
Now I want you to do 2 things for me. 1, I want to be back in that dance number. And 2, I want to meet Sandhya Khanna.
So this was Sheena's brilliant idea. She did manage to get to Rupa through Kunal as she had planned. But this brilliant idea of hers was going to land her into big, big trouble.
You bloody whore!
I didn't sleep with him. I could have done that if I wanted to. I could have even shouted rape. How would you and your Kunal look then?
What do you want?
Just 2 teeny-weeny things. I want to be back in that dance number. And I want to meet Sandhya.
And what if I say no?
It's not too late to call the press. So, do we have a deal?
Baby.
Do we have a deal, Rupa?
I told you.
Do I have a choice?
All right, we'll fix up things from there, and I'll definitely give you a call tomorrow. And this time, you'll remember my name.
Oh yes, I most definitely will.
You know, Rupa, if I were you, I wouldn't be with a man who would so easily jump into bed with another woman.
You mind your own bloody business. I don't want to have mom any more reasons to dislike you. Kunal!
It took a lot of soda to get Kunal presentable. Rupa just had to make sure Kunal was sober for dinner.
Kunal, son, dig in. Come on. Kunal, beta, you know that spaghetti bolognese? I got this recipe specially from Rome when I was shooting way back then. Oh God, it was a really long time back, huh? What? This one's definitely going into my book. You know, Kunal, this is one recipe that you're not going to
Kunal,
find.
beta, what happened to that Arjun Lohar film that you were supposed to sign? When is it being announced?
I don't know. No, I mean, I don't know actually because, see, my last film flopped. So, I think because of that, Arjun's not very keen on me. Also, I think he's considering Tom or Oves for the part. Actually, Oves should get the part. That'll be really cool. This one is out of my bag. Woo!
No, beta. It's never out of the bag. Trust me, it is never out of the bag. I'm sure there's something you can do about it.
Yes, auntie.
We will rock you. Yay! Oh my God. Sheena? Sheena, you're too much. You're just too much, Sheena. I could have, and I can still do a lot of things. How would you and your Kunal look then? Oh, do I have a bloody choice? No, Rupa. You don't have any choice right now. I finally got you, Rupa. Rupa, you don't have any choice. I finally got you today, babes. I got you!
I saw you talking to David Morris. I didn't like it.
We were just talking. I love you.
What crap?
Pretty woman, walking down the street. Pretty woman, the kind I like to meet. Pretty woman, I don't believe you, you're not the truth. No one could look as good as you.
Hey, pretty woman, give your smile to me.
अरे किशन, तुम आ गए? बस 2 मिनट। किशन, तुम मुंबई में कब से हो? मेरा मतलब कितने साल से हो?
पता नहीं, याद नहीं।
किशन, तुम देखना, मैं एक दिन बहुत बड़ी एक्ट्रेस बनूंगी।
मैं ये नहीं कहता कि सपने सच नहीं होते, पर सबके नहीं होते। और सच कहूँ तो हर किसी के नहीं होते। मैंने सर के साथ रह के आप जैसी बहुत लड़कियां देखी हैं। वो 2-4 दिन पार्टियों में जाती हैं, प्रोड्यूसर्स को घुमाती हैं और उसके बाद वापस अपने घर चली जाती हैं। खैर, आप बोलिए कहाँ चलना है?
कमालिस्तान। किशन, तुम्हें पता है आज सौंदर्या के साथ मेरा पहला दिन है। अच्छा किशन, मुझे एक बात बताओ, तुम्हारे साहब को शक नहीं होता? तुम रोज़ गाड़ी लेकर मेरे पास चले आते हो।
नहीं, वो सर के पास ऐसी 10 गाड़ियां हैं और ये 10वीं है।
Yeah, I understand your viewpoint. Now you listen to me. If you give any work to Sheena, यहाँ तुमने शीना को कोई रोल दिया, अगर मैडम अपसेट हो गई तो, and you understand the consequences. अरे I understand your point of view, but madam is going to be very, very upset. वहाँ मैडम अपसेट हो गई या all said and done, समझदार हो या समझदार, मैडम बहुत अपसेट हो जाएंगे, समझदार हो, ध्यान रखो। मैडम अपसेट हो गई तो आप समझदार हैं, राइट? शीना is तो totally खत्म. Nobody is giving her any role.
Come on, Rupi. Cheer up now at least, na beta.
This director, Ramanathan from the south, has been waiting for 2 hours.
That's okay. Let him wait for another 2 hours. Rupal, meet him. उसको कुछ इडली विडली खिला दो यार.
He also wants to meet me.
Mama, please. I don't want to see anybody right now. I'm too upset.
He's not worth it, darling. He's just not worth it. Trust me, he's simply not worth it.
Mama, not now, please.
But tell me one thing. What did you expect from him? What did you expect from that failure, that flop? Did you expect him to be loyal to you? You know this is the film industry. These guys don't even know the meaning of the word loyalty.
Oh, Rupi, don't listen to her. She talks all crap. Kunal is a nice guy. Just follow him.
And you're the perfect person to give her advice, right? After what you've done in there? You know what the only good thing about Kunal is? His last name. That's the only thing worth it.
Yeah, let me call you back.
You know, Mama, something?
What?
You should be very happy. Soon you'll become a grandmom. And there'll be so many kids running after you. Daddy ma, Daddy ma, Daddy ma.
Shut up, Guddu.
You don't like it. You know, Rupi, you know what I'm planning in the next 6 years? To have 6 different kids with 6 different men. Oh, Mama, we'll have 6 different grandchildren. One white, one black, one chinky.
Rupi, ask your little sister to shut up.
It's so nice. Did you like it?
So, Govilji, where is my contract?
Look, Sheena, I just don't know how to tell you this, but you are not signing the contract anymore and you are not doing this film anymore. Sheena, there's no contract and no film. Just go home.
Hello? Tashuji, hi, how are you? Cancelled? Okay. Hi, Shyamji. What? But I can play sister's role also. Hi. Topanda, I seriously don't know what is going on.
You don't know? Word's out that Sandhya Khanna is out for your blood.
Sandhya? What?
I don't know that. But if I were you, I would find out and apologize to her. Pronto.
But...
forget it. I can't wrangle with 2 Khanna bitches at the same time.
Thank you.
So you had signed Soundarya for the film, right?
Yeah, we had, but some last-minute date problems had happened in the end.
So you expect Rupa to accept rejects? You expect Ajit Khanna's granddaughter to accept rejects?
No, ma'am, that's not what I meant. But I'll pay 1 crore.
1 crore 50.
Madam, but baby is taking 75. That's her market price.
It is. The other 75 is for stepping in for Soundarya.
Ma'am, it would be nice if you could consider... Okay, I will pay your price. In fact, I will send the money from Chennai today, but one small request. She must be in Chennai tomorrow.
That'll be 25 more.
Mama, please. I'm in no position to shoot.
Rupa, you're young and beautiful and you will shoot. Get your act together. Nobody's indispensable. Can't ruin your career just like that.
Madam, Sanjay Khosla called. He wants to meet Rupi baby. Now.
I remember your name, bitch.
So how much do you want this time, Ambika?
10 lakhs.
What for?
I don't know. Cosmetic surgery, maybe. Maybe I'll get a new nose. I hate my nose.
While you're at it, Ambika, why don't you grow a penis as well?
Haven't heard of vibrators, have you now?
Of course I have. But there's something about a real one.
Nashta kari nahi jayegi. Mummy ji.
Don't go without nashta.
Of course not.
Ambika, do think about what I told you though.
About what, the penis? How do you know I don't already have one? I've always had more balls than you.
Thank you, Ambika.
Thank you.
You can go now.
If you let me.
By all means.
What's wrong with Ambika? Why is she always dressed like this? Oh, kharab lagi chhe.
So how much did she take this time?
Relax, Dad. It's fine.
I am simply amazed, Ajay. I mean, in business matters, you are the most brilliant in the world. But I don't know what happens to you when it comes to women. How could you have married this lesbian?
Kai ben?
Dad, they don't come in signboards anymore.
Lesbian? Lesbian શું છે?
Never mind, Minal. Let's go. Come.
પણ કાઈની બેન છે lesbian?
Never mind.
हाँ, किशन. बोलो किशन, क्या हुआ?
सर मैडम कुछ परेशान सी लग रही थी. लगता है कोई प्रॉब्लम है.
कहाँ है मैडम?
What's this?
Gift hamper for 1,000 customer.
You mean me?
Yes, congratulations. You can have whatever you want, ma'am. This entire place is yours for the night.
Shut up.
Enjoy yourself, ma'am.
Who's there? Stop it! Who's there?
Tomorrow on Bombay Talking.
And now, as usual, that bloody Rupa is not talking to me.
I'm gone too. Sandhya had thrown me out of all the movies.
Kunal Khosla got red-handed by his fiancée Rupa in a hotel room with an item girl.
Sandhya, I just want